Hello and welcome to this really fabulous tip I've got for you today with using a hole punch and some stamps to create some really fabulous embellishments. What you're going to need is to just stamp out a series of circles. You can use hearts, it doesn't really matter. I'm going for the white side of my stamp, of my punch today, and I'm just going to line them up. Get some washi tape and just cut it straight in half. Now this is used as a mask, so it doesn't have to be washi tape. It can be pretty much anything you want to use. I'm just going to put that underneath there just so it doesn't go all over my black paper. And all I'm doing is pressing the ink pad into the hole punch that we have just done. Getting a lot of lovely bright ink on there. And then I'm going to pull them away and you will see this really fabulous, really effective little embellishment that looks wonderful on your scrapbook pages. So take a look at those. I'm just going to move that away. And they look really fantastic with some embellishments. Here I've got a page here that I'm going to add these to. Now mine is still a little bit wet, so I'm just going to be careful. But you can see just how fabulous they look on a page as an embellishment. Now the other thing that you can do with them is add them to your cards. You can also make them the corner of your photo just to help them stand out. There's lots of lovely things, really effective things that you can do with it. Now the other thing that you can do that I wanted to show you here, I used it on a card that I was making. I've actually done exactly the same process. This was with some distress inks. And I've masked up the bottom of the title here and then just coloured in the top with some different colours, and it looks really, really fabulous. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. Get going with your masking tape and your inks, and before you know it, you'll have some beautiful embellishments in really no time at all.